Yeah.
What's up? All right. Does anybody know what movie that's from? Come on. There's got to be some older people out there that know what that is. Dazed and Confused. Great movie. It reminds me of when I was in high school. Okay, and when I was in high school, I think that's when I tried my first beer. But don't tell my kids. Just don't tell them. And what we're going to do today is we're going to make a beer cocktail. So my friend introduced me to this beer. It's actually really good, really tasty, very easy to drink, great to have at a pool party. Everybody's going to like it. It's not overly hoppy or has some crazy flavor to it that is just going to turn people off. Very drinkable. So they have Prairie White, Original 16. This is the Canadian Copper Ale. Then they have the Canadian Blonde Ale, and then the Radler, which is very interesting. It almost tastes like a wine cooler to me. Very citrusy. And I will feature that in another cocktail that I'm going to do. But right now, what we're going to do is we're going to do a riff on the French 75, which is a gin-based drink, and it's topped off with champagne. So here, what we're going to do, give a little American flair, right? Probably call this the Spirit of 76. Sounds like a good name. We're going to top this off with some of this Original 16 beer. So here we go. Really, really simple cocktail too. So what we're going to do is we're going to take an ounce of the gin, 1 ounce, and I use Plymouth gin for most of my mixing. The stuff's just really good. And then we're going to take a ½ ounce of lemon juice, ½ ounce of honey, simple syrup. I mean, whatever simple syrup you want. Well, you know, I take that back. As long as it's just it isn't a flavored-based simple syrup. So you can do honey simple, Demura, or just regular simple. I wouldn't do maple syrup or strawberry flavored or blueberry flavored. Simple. So ½ ounce of that. Brighten it up just a little bit because it's just kind of fun to throw another ingredient in. So we have some Pomodoro orange bitter, a couple shakes of that. I'm going to shake that for about 15 seconds. There we go. Put that over here. Let's get this out of the way. Get our champagne flute. Get our strainer. So there you go. Cocktail. Now we add our beer. I did test it before, so that's why it's open, but I just opened it before I shot this video. There you go. So, Spirit of 76, beer cocktail, whatever you want to call it. It's great for day drinking. And bottoms up. Very, very tasty. Everybody's going to love this one. And plus, you look really fancy drinking beer out of a champagne flute, right? John L. Brown, Bar Home out.